Now you can earn money by YouTube Shorts. I think you guys already have the notification of action required. Accept new terms to stay in the YouTube partner program and start earning shorts revenue. Click on review and accept. Then you can see some review updated terms. Review this, read this one, and then you can see we are updating the YouTube partner program terms to stay YouTube partner program. You need to review and accept the updated terms by July 10, 2023. And once you accept the new term, you can enable the new ways to earn, such as YouTube Shorts feeders. After reading all of those terms, I accept best terms and accept and review. Then you can see again a term. This is the watch page terms. So I accept and submit. Alright, so you can see my submitting done, and click on start earning from short shares. Go turn on. This is shorts coming from the February 1, 2023. So you can see from February you can earn money by YouTube Shorts. So go turn on. Yep, turn on. Okay, earn revenue on YouTube Premium subscriber watches. Okay, again you got it, and turn on. I accept. Okay, done. So we can earn money now from shorts from 2023 February. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys got it. You can now earn money from YouTube Shorts from February 2023. So this is the video. Thank you so much.